A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the technology and livelihood education major. Let's review a 10-item practice test, set 4A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the TLE YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Onions when peeled or cut irritate the eyes and give biting sensation of the tongue. This is due to the presence of A. Mustard oil, B. Sodium nitrate, C. Sulfoxide, D. Sulfur compounds. A space occupied by a person in a meal with all of the appropriate table appointments is called A. Cover, B. Diner's plate, C. Menu, D. Placement. Dice in food preparation is cutting food into A. halves, B. small particle, C. cubes, D. quarters. What quality pushes electrons to move? A. voltage, B. wattage, C. frequency, D. resistance. A part of an electric circuit with C converts electrical energy into another form of energy to do work. A. load, B. circuit, C. source, D. control. There are numerous kinds of saws. The one used by sawing along the grain wood is called A. Back saw, B. Rip saw, C. Crosscut saw, D. Power tool. When materials are to be laid out, the best tools to be used are A. Measuring tools, B. Tooth cutting tools, C. Lining tools, D. Boring tools. The view that is generally drawn directly above the front view in an orthographic drawing is A. Bottom view, B. Side view, C. Rear view, D. Top view. Geometrical solids are usually drawn in A2 view, B8 views, C6 views, D4 view. When solidity of an object is shown by gradual darkening of its particular portion/s, then the process involved is A. Darkening, B. Lighting, C. Shading, D. Shadowing. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.